Here with the rest of the team from Quick Trips, my name is Oscar and with me is Jack, Mitchell and Yuki. Our app finds nearby events and places and lets you filter them not only by price, but time to make sure you can still fit the rest of your day in. You've got tomorrow afternoon free and want to fill the time with something, but still make it to dinner plans. As of yet, you're stuck with numerous apps, gaps in search results, and wasted time in the meanwhile. There is plenty to do around, but the problem lies in discovery, flicking through results to find which one fits. Quick Trips is an all-in-one solution, a range of places and events together with your preferences and time at number one.
Okay, so user demographic. The target audience are people who really need to plan a trip to go somewhere, such as traveling and working, afraid of forgetting the plan after planning. While they plan to travel, the app can also bring them preferential prices. If our application becomes popular in the future, it may become well known in the tourism software market, such as GPS, date planning software, etc. Moreover, our characteristic is to be able to provide users with affordable prices. Our application is suitable for different types of age group. So for the people in 10 to 26 years old, young people, it's like young people group, like play and travel around. And for people in 26 to 45 years old, which is the middle-aged people, have business trip for work. And for the old people, 45 to 70 years old, like they probably like traveling as well, and because most of them are retired, and for the rest of them, maybe our application can help them to plan trips, and also our application is very easy for them to understand. Okay, so for the personal one, Andy. So his name is Andrew, and he works in the call center, and he does not want to spend so much time on this boring job, and he wants to find the best way to enjoy his life, and he has not much time for activities, and not much money for activities. So our apps can help him with the life planning and also save some of his money. Okay, so the personal two is old people who is retired, and his name is Rich, and he wants to make a lot of fun in his rest of his life, and save a lot of money for his trips, and hope to have some discount, and save money to go many places he wants, and he wants to go for trips regularly. So, and because he's not good with text videos, so he needs a really simple applications.
So as you can see in our MCDM, we've done a comparison against 5 competitors. This is basically on a scale of 1 to 5. We've compared them against our offering. As you can see from this diagram, our biggest competitors that we've analyzed are Google Travel, which has a score of 61, and Webjet, which has a score of 51, and Skyscanner to a lesser extent. They don't offer many of our features. As for Google Travel is good for things like hotels and flights. However, they don't offer the trip catalog that we do. A lot of their trips are not maintained. You'll see things like the botanical gardens, but you won't see anything offered by local tour guides that are updated regularly with prices. Eventbrite isn't really used as an app so much as a booking service. Most times most people will be using Eventbrite will be to book for an event, like they won't be actually browsing the site. And if you can do, it's not a lot of generally applicable things, and it's not really tailored to the individual. Mostly corporate things, and like Bollywood Fusion Night, everyone wants to go there. The main limitations of Webjet is that they only allow you to search in specific dates, such as you can see select travel dates here. Whereas for us, we're looking at more of a wider band and things that are more immediate rather than booking into the future. WebJet is also a more dated design. We're trying to be a more mobile-first design. We think that we can leverage some market share and create a different market gap to our competitors by our AI itinerary and product suggestion algorithm features. And we think that this is going to differentiate us enough from our competitors to give us some market share.
Hey guys, Billy Mays here for Quick Trips. Now if I was an adrenaline junkie like Adrenaline Andy over here, I would want to get into the action as quick as possible. So I would log into my Quick Trips app, and now I could use the map to find an activity as quickly as possible, or I could get an AI to recommend me something such as Pete's skydiving, which, as an adrenaline junkie, very much appeals to me. It's only $30 and possibly no chance I could die, so let's book it. And just like that, I'm on my way to Pete's skydiving in July. Now let's say I've done this, and I need to review that. Well, Pete nearly killed me, which is unfortunate, so I'm going to give him a 1 star for the world to see. I can then favorite that and see it, and go back to it at any time, much like lion taming with Dale. To get to my destinations as Andy, I'm very poor, so I just need to get a quick trip. What the fuck did I just say? As a poor phone center caller, I need to get to my travel destination as quickly and cheaply as possible. That's why the travel section allows you to book a trip as fast and as cheaply as possible, using AI, of course. I can see my profile, which isn't me. Now let's say I'm retiree rich. I'm also poor because the government doesn't pay me. If I was retiree rich, an old boomer Luddite, I would hate to have a robot do my things for me, which is why I can just go to the wish list where I can search for anything that I want. And because I love cat videos on the internet, I click on skydiving, and again, I can submit my booking in just seconds. If you're like retiree rich and you have to rely on a pension, you're going to want to save as much money as possible. That's why you can level up in Quick Trips through iron, bronze, silver, gold, or platinum, or maybe even diamond. And this very much appeals to retiree rich because he loves StarCraft, and he also loves getting the highest rank in CS:GO. He's currently stuck in Silver 2. I don't know why. Kind of bad at the game. Now, customer support is also very good for retiree rich because he is very stupid. He does not know how that works, but he can pester somebody with his problems because he sucks. Oh, I can't do this on the fly.
To wrap this up, we've designed an app to fill your free time with new and fun stuff, and help you fit them into your life. Third parties like our idea, and we've validated the use of Quick Trips. Thank you for watching. We've been Quick Trips.
You see, oh, this is what I was talking about when I was saying like fluff. Read that. It's like the most fluff thing ever.
And then it takes me back to the wrong fucking page. This is back in my college days.
As for market gap, we believe the much of.
Are these from anything?
Is that a skill tree?
Oh yeah, retiree rich loves playing StarCraft. Oh, that's perfect because old people love cats. And like cat videos from the internet.